York in Santa Margherita y Altomonte, and here we have the Falcons Villafranca building 2 pillars of 4 levels, so Roscola Quadra, directly from below, so Ashika Sarasota. Here you see how they will both be clean at the base, so the net, one is even being, the pillar to the right is even being turned, as you see, just completed a full 360 turn. So they've had to work here very clearly, but they did it. They made it. The Falcons Villafranca in Santa Margherita y Altomonte, Villafranca, Alphanades, Catalonia 2011.